What are the best books bundles on Humble Bundle? Humble Bundle is a website that offers bundles of games, books, software, and more at discounted prices. You can pay what you want and choose how to split your payment between the creators, charities, and Humble Bundle itself. Humble Bundle also has a store where you can buy individual games and products, including some Nintendo Switch and 3DS games. Some of the best book bundles on Humble Bundle are Books Cloud Ops and Development by BPB. This bundle includes 20 ebooks on cloud computing, DevOps, Kubernetes, Docker, AWS, Azure, and more. You can learn how to build, deploy, and manage cloud applications and services with these practical guides. Game Design and Puzzle Craft 2023 by Lone Shark Games. This bundle includes 10 ebooks on game design, puzzle creation, interactive fiction, and more. You can learn how to design engaging games and puzzles for various platforms and genres with these expert tips and tricks. Chronicles of the World of Warhammer by Black Library. This bundle includes 26 ebooks on the Warhammer fantasy and sci-fi universes. You can immerse yourself in the epic stories and lore of these dark and grim worlds with these novels and anthologies. Programming Fundamentals 2023 by Mercury. This bundle includes 15 ebooks on programming fundamentals, such as data structures, algorithms, design patterns, testing, debugging, and more. You can master the essential skills and concepts of programming with these comprehensive books. Classic Swords and Sorcery TTRPGs. This bundle includes 21 ebooks on classic tabletop role-playing games, TTRPGs, such as Conan, Lankamar, The Dark Eye, RuneQuest, and more. You can explore the worlds of sword and sorcery with these rulebooks and supplements. These are just some of the best book bundles on Humble Bundle. There are many more to choose from, so feel free to browse the website and find something that suits your taste. Learn more. 1. Books Bundles, Humble Bundle. https://www.humblebundle.com/books. 2. Humble Book Bundle, Stories from the Worlds of Warhammer 2022 by Black. https://www.humblebundle.com/books/stories-from-worlds-warhammer-2022-black-library-books. 3. Books Bundles, Humble Bundle. https://www.humblebundle.com/books?partner =HBNGB